In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Zendesk. By the end, you'll have the official Zendesk app installed from HubSpot's marketplace and connected using your Zendesk subdomain, so data can start flowing between the two platforms. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to a HubSpot account with permission to install apps and have your Zendesk subdomain handy. If your browser blocks pop-ups, consider allowing them for this process. Start by opening your browser and searching for HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and sign into your account. Once you're in, look along the top navigation bar for the Marketplace icon. It looks like a small storefront. Click that icon, then choose the HubSpot Marketplace to open the App Marketplace page. At the top of the Marketplace, use the search bar and type Zendesk. You should see the Zendesk listing appear, often labeled as Zendesk or Zendesk Data Sync. Click the Zendesk result to open its listing page. Here you can quickly review what the integration does, the permissions it needs, and any notes from HubSpot. When you're ready, click Install. A short setup flow will appear. Click Next to proceed through the initial prompt. You'll then be asked for your Zendesk subdomain. This is the first part of your Zendesk URL, the bit before zendesk.com. For example, if your Zendesk address is your company, zendesk.com, your subdomain is just your company. Type that subdomain carefully and watch out for extra spaces or typos. When the subdomain is in, click Connect to Zendesk. A new window may open to confirm the connection and request authorization. If you're not already signed in to Zendesk, you'll be prompted to do so there. Approve the requested permissions to allow HubSpot and Zendesk to talk to each other. After you confirm, you'll be brought back to HubSpot while the connection finalizes. Give it a moment. If it seems to hang, a quick refresh of the listing page can help. That's it. The integration is installed and connected. From here, HubSpot will recognize Zendesk as a connected app. You can later adjust sync direction, field mappings, and which records to sync from the integration settings inside HubSpot. But the core connection is complete. If you hit a snag, double-check the subdomain, ensure you have the right HubSpot permissions, disable strict pop-up blocking for the install, and confirm you're in the correct HubSpot account. Once everything aligns, the connect step completes smoothly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new HubSpot and Zendesk integration.